Hello 8th graders, this is Ms. Brazil and this is an instruction video for how to complete your weekly EBLI assignment. If you have been doing a good job with this and you've been getting good feedback from me, then this is unnecessary, but I've noticed that about half of you are really struggling with this assignment, even though I feel like it's really straightforward and I've given you written instructions. And there's actually another instruction video I made when this whole distance learning thing started. So I just wanted to do it one more time to make sure it's really clear. So if you're having a hard time with this assignment, please stay with me. I'll only take a couple of minutes. I want to show you how it's properly done. All right. You start off in Schoology in your 8th grade ELA class, and you're going to go to your current week. I'm going to use an old week just because the current week isn't up yet. It's not finished. But you're going to go to your current week. Then you're going to click on the checklist. I am sure you're all familiar with this checklist, but it is at the top of the page. So you're going to click on the checklist. And this checklist is a wonderful tool, by the way. I hope you guys are using it a lot. All right. I always list my checklist on Monday, but the assignment is due by Friday. And that's so you can get started on it. You can do bit by bit. You can do it all at once. You can do whatever day you want. I don't really care about that, but it's listed on Monday. So you can see it's the third thing down on this particular checklist. It says EBLI list lesson assignment due by Friday at 4 p.m. Watch this video and follow along on paper or a whiteboard. So you're going to click my link. It's going to open a new window for you. And your job is going to be to follow along with the video. Hold on, let me turn off that sound. You're going to follow along with the video and use either a whiteboard or a paper and pencil while you do it. And you're going to be just like you're in class with me, okay? So you're sounding everything out, you're keeping up with me, you're pausing the video when you need to. You're doing EBLI, right? Easy enough. Then you're going to go back into your checklist and see how it says make a copy of this slideshow and put your name on it. That's your second step. So you're going to click on that link and it's going to open up a slideshow. You cannot edit this slideshow. I did that on purpose. What you need to do is make a copy of it. So you're going to go to File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. Now do you see where it says name and it's highlighted and it says copy of Wordly Wise weekly assignment or whatever? You're going to take that out and put your name there instead. You can keep it and add your name. That's fine, but you need to put your name in there. And you're going to click OK. Now you'll have your own copy of the assignment in your drive. The first slide is your directions. Please read the directions. They matter. I'm going to tell you what to do, but refresh yourself on the directions if you need to. Then I have example slides. These will help guide you so you understand what to do. Take a look at the example slides. Once again, I'm going to show you what to do. Then you get to these blank slides. This is what you're actually filling out. The most important thing to remember is you are using words that were in the video to create this assignment, to finish this assignment. They are not Ms. Lytle's words. They might overlap, but not all of the words Ms. Lytle uses are words I use. So you need to make sure you watch the video so you get the correct words. Your first step is going to just be to write one of the words that you chose here for word. I'm going to use one of your words from this week's video, anonymous. So I'm just going to write in anonymous. That's all you have to do for that. I'm going to move the syllables back over so I have space. Now in the video, I show you how to break apart the syllables. Right? That's the syllable lines. So all you have to do is copy what was in the video. So for anonymous, it would be non, mus. Just like that. That is all you have to do. For your sentence, you're writing me a new sentence. Not the example sentence I gave you, a new sentence that you made up. You can use my sentence as inspiration, but you need to write your own sentence. So, for example, I gave to charity anonymously. So just like in class, it is very important that it is a grammatically correct and complete sentence, that you're using the word in the sentence. You can change the tense. For example, I used anonymously instead of anonymous. That's fine, but it needs to make sense. If you're not comfortable with the word, choose a different word. I gave you 4 options. You only have to use 2. A lot of you are using the word completely incorrectly. You're going to underline the word that you used. You're going to double check. Did I use punctuation? There's a period at the end of my sentence. Yes, I did. Did I capitalize my sentence? Yes, I did. Your sentence is done. That's all you need is one complete sentence. Then you're going to illustrate. Some of the words are going to be more difficult than others, but remember, you can make your illustration match your sentence. So in this one, I gave to charity anonymously. I can hop over to Google Images and look up money. Right? If you're giving to charity, you're probably giving money. You can use that as your illustration. That's fine, as long as it makes sense. That's all I ask for. That is not the right word. Where is it? Nope. Oh, I lost it. There it is. Okay, then you're going to insert your illustration. It should be a quick drag and drop. You can play with the picture if you want to, but you certainly don't have to. And that's it. And you're going to do that for another word. All in all, that should take you less than 10 minutes to do that assignment. When you're done, this is the important thing that a lot of you are getting wrong for me. You're going to hit this button right here, share. You're going to enter my email address here, ebrazil@classicalacademy.com. Not TCA Docs. You're not submitting it through Schoology. You're sharing it with me. Then you hit send, and you're all done. Okay? And that is how to complete your weekly assignment. If you have any questions, please contact me. Miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. Take care.